Hi students! How are you? I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to our 6th recipe. Today it's a simple recipe. It's another sweet recipe, but I think this recipe is healthy. It's a good recipe for summer. It's still winter right now and it's a little bit cold, but every day it gets warmer and warmer. So I suggest you save this recipe for summer. Today we are going to make watermelon popsicles. And to make watermelon popsicles, you need these ingredients.
To make watermelon popsicles, you need watermelon, honey, lime, and water. That's it.
So those were the ingredients, and now here are the directions.
To make watermelon popsicles, first you need to get your watermelon and cut it. Cut the watermelon into small pieces. You will need about 1.5 cups of watermelon. I grabbed 2 bowls, a small bowl to put the seeds in, and a bigger bowl to put the pieces of watermelon. Notice I'm taking out the seeds. Next, put the pieces of watermelon into the blender. Then add 2 tablespoons of honey. Cut a lime in half and squeeze half of the lime on top of the watermelon. Then add a 1/2 cup of water. Now you're ready to mix the ingredients in the blender. Then pour the ingredients into popsicle forms. Oops. Put on the tops of the popsicles and put the popsicles in the freezer until they're frozen.
Okay students, I hope you like the recipe and I hope in summer you make watermelon popsicles. And for the project, you know what to do. Add this recipe to your English recipe book. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, see you later.